We got this little Ed kid coming out and coming like over here. Look at this little Sped kid over here. Oh yeah? Impacting coming? Damn, those brakes! Manuel, I think you need to oil those brakes, bro.
I know, bro. Yeah, you need to like put a little bit of oil in that back.
Yeah, I think you need to oil a little bit of those brakes, bro. Oil those brakes up. Oil them like P. Diddy. Just saying.
Se le zafó la cadena, Emanuel.
Actually?
Se le zafó la cadena. Está zafada la cadena.
Oh no, he was going backwards.
Hay otro perro, güey. Güey.
That one looks fast.
No. Mr. Dog! Mr. Dog!
Approach him cautiously.
Verga, ahí viene el negro. Maestro perro. Maestro perro. Maestro perro.
Approach the dogs. Approaching the dogs.
Maestro, vine, ¿dónde estás? Ay, verga.
Hey guys, it stopped.
Bruh.
It stopped chasing us. Now I'm returning back. I'm gonna take a break. This is the last of it. This is Emanuel right here. That dog back there.
Try to eat me.
Try to eat him, but it should have been the other way around. Bye, Emanuel. Oh my god. We almost got eaten by the dog. Los pinches pendejos estúpidos aquí. These are the two rabbits pinches alive. They're gonna approach a fucking dog and they're gonna fucking
I'm
run.
going to my biggest fear.
This person right here, the black one, she is scared of fucking dogs. And the white person.
Because one bit me when I was like 5 years old.
And then the white person, I don't know, he's just like.
He's just local.
Yeah, he's a local. I don't think so.
I remember that school. I really like it.
Okay, I'm recording.
Where you killed the teacher? Oh. The part where you killed the teacher from the other side. Ay, verga.
You're stupid.
Not recording.
I'm recording. Ahí está el pinche perro. Aquí están los estúpidos pendejos. You're dumb. I'm trying to record with your fucking hand. I'm the best cameraman.
Bruh. Nope. Bruh.
No! I was joking, don't Tenemos pinches corriendo. Tenemos corriendo. Guys, look, record me. Record me doing this. Ready, record me.
Nope.
Guys, there's literally someone right there. It smells like it's gonna rain. Like actually.